This Century 21 TheOne property video is presented by Diane Rock. Newly remodeled home situated on a serene, private lot. Bright open floor plan on the main floor. The kitchen boasts granite countertops, stainless appliances and more than ample storage. A breakfast nook and an amazing sunroom overlook the backyard. Master suite has 2 walk-in closets and a beautiful master bath. Downstairs offers a family room with a cozy wood stove, full kitchen and bedroom with an attached full bathroom. Utility room in the garage with workbench, additional WSD hookups and a utility sink. Oversized multi-level rear deck is perfect for entertaining or just relaxing in the hot tub. All of this is located in a desirable neighborhood, minutes from City of Plattsburgh. For more information, review the details below.